Here we are. Where are we, guys? Where are we?
At the beach.
Yeah, what was the place called?
Cape Douglas.
Cape Douglas. Just on the beach at Cape Douglas on road tyre pressure. So this one at the moment, it's like concrete. But as you travel further down the beach either way, it always changes. Heading east, the beach was getting narrower and really full of weed was the main issue. And these rocks over on the left side of the water here, quite a lot of those in the way, so we decided to head back this way. This little entrance here is obviously the local boat ramp. We just thought we'd have a bit of an explore around on the solid ground, check out the scenery. What are they fishing out there? Are they a bit of fishing going on or something? Not a bad spot. That's it. Follow the water's edge while it's like concrete. And it really is. I mean, on road pressure. And again, we're running out of beach again. Yeah, it's looking very rocky, isn't it? It looks like it's where the last car did a U-turn as well. I'm just going to come past behind you, go a little bit further.
Talia, what are the H?
Yes, Cape Douglas, not quite like Port Douglas, a little bit quieter. Go and see if we can find some other little beaches to have a look on. So we just come on the beach again a little bit further down, another little bit of beach that runs out, rocks again. So yeah, just in this little bay here at Cape Douglas, we've followed the road through to the end, goes into a little conservation park. It's just a short little roughed up section of track, but I thought we'll get a bit of footage of that for your entertainment. We're on full pressure, so you know, Prados are going to do it easy. Of course, it's a little bit steeper and rougher than it looks. The other vehicle's up the hill there somewhere anyway, but see if we can get a bit of wheel spin happening, bit of action, bit of rough stuff action. Well, with a bit of scenery in the background. How do you like that? Full driving ocean meets the hills. So yeah, a bit of wheel spin. Bit of wheel spin action here. All flexed up. With that tyre tucked up like that, the other one's probably fully extended. Bit powdery here. Letting the traction control do its thing. Check out the view. Getting up there. just across there. Just keep it straight, just a little bit of momentum. Come over a little bit more towards the water and it'll get all nice and firm for you. Keep it going, bird it. Keep it going. Yeah, keep it going. Yeah, go, 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 go. Come down towards the water. Come down to the water. It's all hard. That's it. That's it. Now you're on the concrete. Oh, nice sticker. Oh, nice. Oh God, we're just down at Carpenters Rocks at the moment. We just headed east from the lighthouse as far as you can on the beach on full highway tyre pressures. We just come down for a few hours for the day. Bit of fishing and whatever. Nice little bay down this end, definitely worth a look if you haven't been down here. And yeah, down by the water on the firm sand, of course it is quite firm. You can see all the tracks everyone's been driving. Even going up the beach, not too bad. It's not too steep. There's a lot of weed though, so you got to be careful of that. We're just cruising back towards the lighthouse, so we'll show you the run. We'll show you the run along the beach. Back to the lighthouse in high range. The only part that could be a problem, there's another entry exit off the beach there. I haven't seen that one before. I think I know what that is actually. The exit off the beach can be a bit soft, so we'll see how we go with that. My favourite, low range. We're in high range at the moment. Look at all those rocks up the top of the beach. There's a whole row of them. Big rocks. Big rocks. Got another pile over here. Got a pile over there. Back towards the lighthouse. An incoming tide at the moment, so pick your side you go. There's a few rocks there. Getting back towards the lighthouse, we're not far. Lighthouse up on the right, on the hill. Stop, it's my gum. Stop it. Kids, gotta love it. Look at these guys. What, I think this is an overtaking lane. Unbelievable. Just be careful, yeah, if you come around this point, guys, there's obviously it's a rocky point, so there's some rocks in the sand as well you need to be careful of. Watch out for the rocks just there going around the turn. mainly for the other guys who haven't been down here yet. Bonk, as I hit them, because I'm telling everyone to do bonk, hitting rocks. No, not really. This is the boat ramp at Carpenters Rocks. Yeah, we're going to go up the ramp now, so on full pressure, let's see what happens, eh? One by one, maybe keep a distance in case at that momentum, I say he's going to make it no problem. Oh, he's backing up, he's going to get a launch pad. We're going to go low range and second start. See how that works out for us. Oh, he did a little bit hard. Oh, a bit of fun there. Let's see. No problem. Oh, a little bit of wheel spin there. Alright, let's do it a bit slower and see if we can get bogged. Here we go. Do it a bit different to everyone else. Cut a new track. Let it slow down as we get to the firm ground. I'm bogged. Can someone come and give me a snatch out, please? I'm stuck. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it. That's Carpenters Rocks. Bada bing. If you haven't already, please subscribe, turn the bell on. We'll show you some more beach fun and beach exits.